Exercise 3.5 problem 1 division 2 solution. Factorize a polynomial 4x cubed minus 7x plus 3. Please notice x square is missing here. Okay. Next, sum of the coefficients is equal to 0. 4 plus 3 minus 7 is 0. So x equal to 1 is a 0 or x minus 1 is a factor. So which means we have the starting point for the synthetic division. So we need to do the synthetic division, get a quadratic expression and then factorize that quadratic expression. Thereafter all you need to do is put all the factors together, right? Okay, so let the p of x, I have made the correction here. For that I have introduced a 0 term for the x square. So the polynomial will be 4x cubed plus 0x squared minus 7x plus 3. The sum of the coefficients of p of x including constant is equal to 0. Thus x minus 1 is a factor. To check, let's find p of 1. That is p of 1 is 4 into 1 cubed is 4, 0x squared is 0, and minus 7 into 1 is minus 7, and 3 comes here as it is. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 7 is 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor. Now let's get into the synthetic division. So how do we do the synthetic division? So you have to write the 0 of the factor here, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. So that will come here, and write all the coefficients of the polynomial in the descending order. Add 0 wherever there is a term missing, right? So it is 4, 0, minus 7 and 3, and x equal to 1, that's a 0, right? So for the first term in the second row we put 0 and then keep adding it. So 4 plus 0 is 4, then 4 into 1 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So the remainder is 0, and this is the quotient. So, and this is a constant term, this is a coefficient of x, and this is the coefficient of x square. Thus the other factor or the quotient is 4x square plus 4x minus 3. Now we need to factorize this polynomial. How will you do? We have two methods. So first we need to find what needs to be factorized, that is the coefficient of x square into the constant, that is 4 3s are minus 12, needs to be factorized in such a way you get two factors and sum of it or the subtraction, the difference of it should be equal to the coefficient of x. So here I am factorizing minus 12 as 6 into minus 2. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, and minus 2 plus 6 is 4, which is the coefficient of x, right? So that is fine. So let's continue this method as it is. I will show you the other method also as in the previous case. So now we'll have to divide this by the coefficient of x square, which is 4 in this case. Am I right? It's the coefficient of x square is 4. So this becomes 6 by 4 and this becomes minus 2 by 4. Can we simplify this? Yes. So this will become 3 by 2 and this will become minus 1 by 2. That's it. So there is no more simplification possible. So this, the denominator is the coefficient of x and this constant will come down. So this factor is 2x plus 3 and this is 2x minus 1. So this 4x square plus 4x minus 3 is 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Okay, this was one method of factorizing the quadratic expression. Now we'll do by the other method also. So this where we stop here itself. So 12 is factorized in such a way that is 6 into minus 2, where the subtraction of it gets you the coefficient of x, right? So which means this 4x must be written as 6x minus 2x, has to be written in these two, using these two coefficients, right? So 4x will be 6x minus 2x. 4x is written as 6x minus 2x. From these two terms you can take 2x commonly out. If you take 2x commonly out, you'll get 2x plus 3, and from these two you have to get the same 2x plus 3. So which means you have to take minus 1 commonly out. So when you take minus 1 commonly out, you'll get 2x plus 3. From these two you have to take 2x plus 3 commonly out. So it will become 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. So this whole thing, the other factor is quotient is 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. We know the first factor of the cubic polynomial is x minus 1. So put all these factors together and equate it to the polynomial. Thus 4x cubed minus 7x plus 3 will be equal to the first factor x minus 1 into these two factors, that is 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Right? Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.